Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we are going to explore an ancient Chinese character. Its pronunciation is
火
It means fire. When this character is combined with other characters, it forms many common words. For example,
火山
means volcano,
火灾
means fire, disaster,
战火
means flames of war,
火药
means gunpowder. Now, let's take a look at how this character evolved throughout history. In the earliest oracle bone script, it resembled burning flames. As the writing system became standardized, the character was gradually simplified until it eventually took on the stroke-based form we use today. Let's practice reading this character together.
火火火
This is a single component character. It is made up of 4 strokes: a short dot stroke on the upper left, another short dot stroke on the upper right, a long left falling stroke, and finally, a right falling stroke. Do you remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters? From top to bottom and from left to right. Now, let's try writing this character stroke by stroke. First, place a short dot on the upper left, followed by a second dot on the upper right. Next, add a long left falling stroke beneath the 2 dots. Finally, complete the character with a right falling stroke starting from the center. With these 4 strokes combined, the character looks like dancing flames of fire. When the character
火
is used as a radical, it usually appears on the left side of other characters, like this. Sometimes it also appears at the bottom of a character, like this. Whenever you see a character with this radical, it often relates to something connected with fire, heat, or burning. Let's learn an interesting word in Chinese. When you see this picture, does it remind you of someone who is very angry? In Chinese, to describe a person who is extremely angry, we say
发火
which literally means to catch fire, but is used to describe someone getting angry, as if the person's anger is bursting out like flames. There is also a 4-character idiom.
火冒三丈
Its literal meaning is flames rising very high, but it is used figuratively to describe someone who is extremely angry, as if their rage were blazing upward like fire. So whenever you want to describe a very angry state, you can use this idiom.
火冒三丈
Have you learned it now?